Hello, I'm Junaid Ahmed. This video is recorded for 8th experiment of our technology lab. The experiment is to integrate a database with a website and to insert and retrieve data from it. So first of all, we have to create a database in our PHP MyAdmin because this is a local server. So I have created a database named student data with two tables inside it, login and student. Login as a small table which contains the details of all the authorized persons with a valid username and password. Student is the main table. This is where we keep all the details of all the students. We can insert inside the student table multiple values inside a student table, and we can retrieve the data and display it on a web page. Currently, both the tables, login table and student table, are blank. So, okay, for the first page, the codes are given here for logging in and sign up. These are the two small forms. Now, if somebody wants to sign up as a new person, first of all, we have to connect the database, and that is done by creating a host. We are using as localhost, user as root, and for now we have not given any password to it. And the database that we are taking is student-data. If post value is s2, s2 is the name of the submit button for registering. We take the username and password, and if it is not blank, we write a query to insert username and password into the login table. We use this query variable here, and then we use a result variable to process the query. Once done, we print user created, try logging in, and then we close the current connection. If somebody is trying to log in, we have given the name as S1. We take the username. If it is not blank, we select everything from the login. Now, first of all, what we have to do is the result one value must be greater than zeros. That means the table must contain some value. And we take result fetch associated data into the row variable. Now, using row, first of all, we check if the name and the user ID matches. That means the user somewhere exists in the table. If that happens, we check that the password is not empty, and password matches the password value um, of the same record as of the name. If so, we move to the next page, data.php. Otherwise, we print incorrect password. And if user ID does not match, we print user does not exist. Now, for example, if I'm trying to go for ABC password, just anything, I can't log in because I don't have anything right here. So I create a user as ABC password, say 123456. Sign up. Now user created, try logging in. If I type some other username, I get the message as user does not exist. If I type ABC but some wrong password, I get incorrect password. If I write correct username and password, I log in, move to this page. Now I can insert some data inside the table or retrieve and display data from the table. This part is done into the next page, and this next page has, okay, for every page we have to establish a connection. So here also the connection codes are given. For S3, S3 is the value if you want to insert new record. We take the value from name, register number, year and phone using the super global post variable, and we assign it to another variable that we have created. We have to check that all these variables are not blank. Then we write the insert query. We execute it using another variable with the connection arrow key query method, and then once this is executed, we just print a message, record created successfully. If S4, that means if you want to display the result, we write the query of select star from student. We execute it in result 1. we take the rows as the number of rows. This is the maximum number of rows that can be given, and then we echo the table. Now we have to display it but in an HTML table. So whatever we want, we just have to write the codes in the echo and then single or double inverted commas. So first of all, we display table students records. Then we print the table. We have given it ID display, and CSS style is being given to it. Now, first of all, we give table head with name, register number, year of study, and phone number. For the table body, here we fetch all the details from result 1 into a row variable. Now, in the corresponding column, we have to put row name, register, year, and phone. And at the end, we just have to close all the open tags in the proper hierarchy, and we have to close the connection. Now we can check it. Suppose I give the name ABC, register number as 1, 2, 3, year of study as 3, and phone number just like this. Insert. Record created successfully. Now we want to see it. Here is our data. If I want to create another user, XYZ, register number 456, year of study 2. Now we can get any value here. Insert. Another record is created. Display. Now both the records are displayed. So this way a database has been created and integrated with a website using PHP and MySQL successfully, and insert and retrieve operations are properly functional. Thank you.